it's not that hard. The hardest part is let me just knock on the door. Hi guys, it's me, Savannah, and today I'm opening the Poopsie Puitton. Isn't this girl big? She is huge. Now, who wants to see inside? I guess you guys do, because that's the only reason probably why you're watching. So I gotta open. What is this big thing? Well, you gotta see for yourselves. If you're doing this with me, you can see this thing, but if you're not doing this with me, let me just show you. This is big. So, let me take this plastic off of it. And it looks even better without plastic. So, we have these color changing koalas. Oh, he's cute. If you squirt them in, they make it color change. And I don't know what these are. Now we have some unicorn crunch, 2 packets of unicorn crunch, and now we have the instructions under the unicorn crunch. Ew, these are big. Now we have some unicorn crunch, 2 packets of unicorn crunch, and now we have the instructions under the unicorn crunch. Ew, these are big, see?
So do you want to make some sandwiches?
Yeah.
Okay.
So this is everything that's inside. This is unicorn magic. This is unicorn magic. This is unicorn crunch. That's a big bag of unicorn crunch. We got sparkle glitter, so it's called a unicorn sparkle. Exclusive poop. And now we have slime powder bottles. So let me see all of this. So first I opened up the front page. So we got exclusive bottle right here. It says unicorn tears. We got slime. What does this say?
Slime instruction booklet.
So that's what we're reading right now. Airtight storage container. Mystery set unicorn spoon. And that's all we have.
So I think the slime making is probably going to be about the same, but let's see. Alright, so the first thing you're going to do is you can make 12 different slimes in a rainbow of colors. So we're going to go through and
22.
yep, so you need 30 milliliters of water.
This is 15.
Yep, so I think they always say you fill up twice.
Okay. Hi guys, I'm back from getting my 30 cups of water, 30 milliliters. And now, Mommy, can you read what it says?
You need 4 drops of the scent.
Let me smell the scent. If it's rose, I'll be so surprised. Oh, I know what it is. Let me get a better smell. Actually, can't smell it. 1, 2, 3, 4.
And you're going to pour unicorn food into the bottle.
So let's take that one and open the green one. Oh my god.
And you want to shake it for 1 minute. 30 more seconds.
Then we're gonna have to let it sit, I guess. I think my two hands are connected because I'm wearing this. It's like I'm just... How many more seconds?
You're and done.
Now that's it.
A few moments later.
I'm back for waiting for 10 minutes. And let's see our slime drum roll, please. Let's open it.
Yep. What color unicorn poop did you get?
It smells small.
So you're going to add some shimmer. Tear open a pearl powder unicorn magic packet. So here's a unicorn magic packet.
So now I'm gonna have the unicorn magic. Didn't they say little by little?
No, this one says open a packet and pour it into the center of your slime.
Parents, I think this is definitely going to be the part of the process you're going to have to help the kids with. I went in and just kind of folded up the sides a little bit to get Savannah to keep from spilling the powder everywhere. It is quite sticky and does stain a little bit, but once it's all folded in and tucked in a couple of times, the powder stops flying everywhere and you can get it mixed in. Once it's all mixed in, it actually looks quite nice and gives the slime a nice pearl-like shimmer.
So now I have this mixie and powder that I still need to mix in. Now look at my slime. It's so good. It's pretty.
It's very pearl-like. Right, and so then it goes into one of your 12 containers because you're going to make 12 different slimes. And shut. Good job.